You don't want to rub or twist the hair vigorously. You don't want to just, you know, shampoo going wild. You don't. No ma'am. Hey guys, Jess here. Welcome back to my channel. I know it has been at least a week, probably a week and a half, but today we will be doing some wig maintenance on, you are looking at her, Raspberry Chocolate. So this is a synthetic wig that I made just a little over a year ago, and we're also celebrating her birthday by giving her some maintenance. So without further ado, I knew I was forgetting something. Yeah, if you are already a part of the family, thank you very much. Pass on the video. However, if you are not already a part of the family, making sure that you subscribe and hit the bell as well. It will be on either side. At this point, I'm just, I guess you can say I'm winging it. Yeah, it doesn't have to be perfect all the time. So I am glad to be back. Without further ado, initially putting conditioner there and letting it soak. Trial and error. Yeah. All right, so this is the next day. Actually decided to let this go overnight, but because by the time the alarm was about to go off for the 3 hours, I was in the middle of something. So I said I'll just let it go overnight. I don't feel much of a difference, at least right now, as far as the conditioner softening the hair. But then again, we haven't rinsed this yet. And I do see that some of the curls have come back, but let's rinse this. And so it's definitely shorter than when I started out with. And I'll show you guys how she looked when I first did her. So she's just been essentially cut down and shaped, because I wanted to shape her because she was just out of control. Out of control. Out of control. Before I even put her in shampoo, water, conditioner, or anything else. And so July 26th is this lady's birthday, first birthday. She was born July 26, 2019. And July 26th has passed of this year, but we're still celebrating wig birthdays. So what do I think of her now? She's okay. The shape is going to take me getting used to. I think I cut off too much on the left hand side, more than the other, and then I had to go back and try to fix it, which is why I was trying not to cut off a whole lot at the beginning. But initially the color is still intact. The curls came back as well, and we'll see if she makes it to our second birthday. Without further ado, until next time and until the next video,